Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a follow-up to the video I did a couple weeks ago about my EcoFlow Wave 2. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Basically, I bought the EcoFlow Wave 2. I was getting ready to take it camping for the first time. The unit was brand new and I was just starting to test it out at home before our trip. I went to charge it back up using the AC charging port. Then the AC charging port just stopped working. I couldn't charge it! I then reached out to EcoFlow for support, and they wanted a video showing it not working. So that's what I gave them. Well, after I posted my last video, EcoFlow got back to me. They worked with me, and since I had a camping trip coming up in a couple weeks, they wanted to make sure I had a unit that worked so I wouldn't have any issues while I was camping. They did stand behind their product, and they did make it right. So I'm super stoked about that. So instead of sending me a refurbished Wave 2, which is basically what I was afraid of, they ended up sending me the brand new Wave 3 and the new Wave 3 battery as an upgrade. Now I'm super stoked because not only does the Wave 3 have better cooling capacities, but it also has some upgraded features. So I'm super excited to try this thing out. I'm actually planning on doing a review of this in the near future. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I wanted to do this follow-up video to let you know that EcoFlow did take care of me. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps a lot. Also, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We have a ton of cool stuff planned. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.